Removal. Remove the 10mm T15 Torx head screw that secures the access panel to the chassis. Grasp the handle on the rear edge of the access panel and slide the access panel towards the rear of the chassis to release the retention tabs. Lift the access panel straight up and off of the chassis and remove. Replacement. Align the retention tabs on the access panel with the cutouts in the chassis and lower the access panel onto the chassis. Slide the access panel towards the front of the chassis until it is securely seated and flush with the front bezel. Replace the 10mm T15 Torx head screw that secures the access panel to the chassis.